Forget New York, forget Los Angeles. Today I am talking in the the small village. I believe no one before this topic, YouTube, anyone discuss. Why big city to move USA small American city many people? Because small village and small city many much growth and people are enjoyable. No crowd, no pollution, very much dollar income. Monthly 20,000 easily earned. His own work in creativity, AI related knowledge and not a big hard work. You take knowledge is just a work. If skill development also improve. Your own skill also improve. Many real estate company are going to the small American city and village. Many family move to USA big city to small village and town because a high growth and enjoyable work, rest, gardening, agriculture are developed. Many cowboy also monthly good earn in USA and American small town. If you like this review content and my related, please subscribe my channel, like, comment.